Hey guys, Mila Buckley, the Hangry Woman here, and today we are going to be talking about ways to flavor your water and make water taste better, because I've heard some people say that they don't like water, and I personally love water. I think it is the most delicious and most hydrating drink that you can drink, but some people don't like water, and that's okay. But you should be drinking water, especially when you have diabetes. It definitely helps to keep you hydrated, helps to keep your blood sugar levels steady, and helps to keep you stable. So it's really important that you do drink water, and I'm hoping that I can give you guys some tips that I love on how to make your water taste better. If you're new to my channel, I'm Mila. I have latent autoimmune diabetes in adults, or a slow progressing form of type 1 diabetes, and I love this community. I love talking about diabetes, and I just love getting to know all of you. So if you like those things, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. You'll have a lot of fun watching a lot of my diabetes videos, because I do have a ton of them, and I just love talking about it. I love knowing that I'm not alone in this, and that there are other people who are also living the same way and have great tips and tricks for living a better life with diabetes, and I feel like that is just everything. So like I said, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and with that, let's get to it. Okay, so there are like tons of ways to flavor your water. You can start with plain basic filtered water. It's gonna taste crisp and good and delicious. But if you want to add some flair, there are a few things that you can do. So one of the things that I like to do is add berries and mint to my water. So I will rinse and slice up some strawberries, throw in some blueberries, muddle some mint a little bit to release the oils. So basically like putting it into a little container, taking like a muddler or a spoon, or if you don't have a muddler, because like not everybody does, not everybody drinks, or you know, whatever, but you can like twist and kind of like pinch your mint and then throw it into your water. It'll release some of the oils of that mint, so you get more of that minty flavor into your water. And that's one really nice way, just that like infusion of berries and the water with the mint kind of sweetens it up a little bit and just gives it a little bit of extra flavor without too much added sugar. So I think that's one really great way to flavor your water. And it's also super easy, super affordable, because typically you have some berries lying around, hopefully. Cross my fingers. We always have berries in our house because they're just an easy snack and easy to add to water. So that's one tip for you. There are also little kind of like drink enhancers. So like you may see Crystal Light or Mio, those little like squeezable pod things you can squeeze into your water. You can also use those. Just look to see what the nutrition value is on those, because you might find that there are a lot of carbs in one little squeeze. Lots of them are sugar-free, but do have a little bit of sweetness added so that they make your water taste a little sweeter, but they have lots and lots of great flavors. There are tons of options. And so that's another good option to flavor your water if you're just not feeling plain water that day. Adding citrus like lemons and limes, another surefire way to have some great water. So what I like to do is give my lemon, like, you know, cut my lemon or lime, give it a little squeeze in the water, and then, you know, dump the rest of the rind of the fruit in there, because the skin has some oils, the peel has some oils. So that kind of infuses into the water as well, gives it a nice citrusy flavor. You can also do this with oranges, like any kind of citrus. Always great to add to water, makes it taste just a little bit better every time. Sparkling waters are also a great option if you're into them. Some people don't like the taste of sparkling waters because they aren't sweet. So the ones that are enhanced with flavor are sometimes a little bit weird. I've tasted some that are like, this is questionable. Like the flavor sounds really good, but then you taste it and it's like somebody like breathed it into your mouth or something. I don't know. So find a sparkling water if you like sparkling water, you know, and you're wanting to do like a replacement for soda even. You can use sparkling water to do that. Not all of them are sweetened or enhanced with sweetness, so that is something to get used to. I also really like sparkling ice drinks, and they are zero everything, but then they also have antioxidants and vitamins, which is really cool, like enhanced in the water. And then they taste really great. Like they taste like they are full sugar drinks, but they have no sugar in them. So that's another great option if you're looking for like a brand or a label that tastes pretty good. I really like LaCroix, even though they're unsweetened and they're just kind of like the flavors with the sparkling water. So if you want the unsweetened route, I personally think LaCroix is the way to go. If you want kind of the other route that is sweetened and has like a good range of flavors, I think they both do, but sparkling ice has just like a great range of flavors. My favorite one, if you're asking, which you're not because you're not here, but I'm just gonna tell you, my favorite is cherry limeade. One of my absolute favorites. I also love the mango orange. Oh, and I wasn't even a soda drinker before I had diabetes. Like I really didn't drink many full sugar sodas. They don't taste good to me. They're like overly sweet and like too much. And sparkling ice though, I'm like, man, I could down like a few of those. They're so good and 0 sugar. Unsweetened tea is also another great option. So if you're looking for something to drink, you want a drink that's good for you, you can brew some tea. Tea is always great. Don't add sugar to it, is kind of like the obvious thing here, but you can have really great strong tea as well, and that is just another way to enhance and flavor your water. So there are lots of great options. Like there's lots that you can do with water. You don't have to just drink it plain and by itself. You can enhance it with lots and lots of different things to make it taste good to you and get that water intake for your entire day. Which reminds me, I've been like talking all day, so I'm really thirsty and I probably need to go drink some water. I drink, I think, like 80 to 90 ounces of water a day. Like, and if I have less, like I'm not okay. Like my body knows it. So yeah, I need to go drink some water right now. Obviously my voice is very hoarse, sounds very hoarse, and that water is really needed. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I really appreciate you for watching. If you have some other ways that you really like to flavor your water or other drinks that you love, leave it in the comments down below. I noticed that lots of people read the comments, lots of people get great advice from other people in the comments, and you guys tend to fill in where I've missed or, you know, gaps that I have in what I'm talking about. So I really love when you chime in and you give some additional advice in the comments. So do leave something down below to let me know that you watched this video. And that's it. That's all I'm gonna say for this one. So I really appreciate you guys watching and thank you so, so much for being here. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.